that's crazy. If all the pictures you guys post wearing products that I've created or anything, I'm just like, wow, that's crazy.
So, welcome back to my channel. It's been a real hot minute since I made a video, but you know, school started and I'm just a hot mess, honestly. Anyway, for today's video, it's a very special video. One of my favorite, not even one of, my favorite beauty YouTuber, guru, influencer, Desi Perkins, has released her second collaboration with Katy and Dose of Colors. Desi's my girl. If her name's on something, I'm gonna buy it, whether I use it or not. Like, she could be releasing like bras and undies, I'm gonna buy it. I ain't gonna wear it, I ain't gonna give it to nobody. I'm just gonna leave it there because I just need to throw my support at her, you know? So she released a full collection with Dose of Colors. Again, they released one last year. I do have some stuff from there. Maybe I'll do some quick comparisons real quick. Last year when they did it, they only had 4 standout shades. This year they have like 10 shades, 5 standouts, and 5 mattes, I think. Oh, I'm a bad fan. The Friendcation palette. 2 glosses they brought back Over the Top. I never got to try Over the Top because it always sold out. I'm glad this time I got to grab a couple. For new lippies, I don't wear any lip products other than gloss, so this is gonna be interesting for me to have them. I don't know. If y'all want to come over and use them, feel free, because if not, they're just gonna be on my vanity just as decoration. I only buy it to support my girl, so here we go. If y'all are new to my channel and you guys don't know, with me and makeup, it's very minimal. I only wear face products. I'm very much a like foundation and highlight type of person. Like, I can see the eyeshadow is super fun and all, but I'm just so bad at it, and I know it takes practice to get it, but I'm just very like, the practice that I'm gonna do is gonna be really bad. But I do have some stuff planned with the Friendcation palette, so stay tuned for some videos with that. It's gonna get interesting for sure. Real proud of you, Desi. And Katy. Yes, Desi's my fave of all time, but don't like, I got mad respect for my girl Katy too. We both worked at Target before, so you know, we have that connection. You know, LOD, can I go on my 30? Thanks, girl. A lot of my friends know I bought this, and they all have asked me to send pics of swatches and stuff, but I told them I ain't gonna open this box until my video, cause you know, I ain't gonna fake no reaction, so. Oh my god, literally sweating. Let's do this. What do we see? A receipt. Quite the damage. Let's not talk about it. Oh! Hey girl. We got a cute little postcard. Hey. So cute. We got some stickers. This is turning into an unboxing video real quick. A nice little Desi and Katy in there. Ooh. Don't mess with the paper. We're just gonna save this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how nice, and oh my goodness, lippies just lined up in there. Yes! The Friendcation palette, let's just dive right in. The Friendcation palette, oh my god. This palette is gonna be blinding, I already know. Packaging is on point. Oh my god. Ugh, sparkle, the shine, it is so gorgeous. Oh, open. Guys, it's purple. I don't know if the camera can catch this. It's purple. Oh my god. It's so unique. This is amazing. Oh my, we need to swatch. Holy. Oh my god. A moment is purple. Holy shit. Holy shit. The tea. This is so pretty. Just a Kiss is really nice. It's this one. This is Basic. Don't even know if you can see it. Cheens, short for cappuccino. Next we have Necessary. Desi is necessary in my life. Girl Bye. Pigmented. Judo. Wow, I totally butchered that. One Swipe of Churro. Wow. So these are your matte swatch. Let's start with Dirty Money. When I saw Dirty Money, I thought it was gold. Guys, in person, it really is this like nice antique gold, like olive green. Like, it's so unique. What? We are going to try a moment. Like, I'm about to have a moment. This is, oh my god, the purple. I'm telling you guys, this purple is so cool. Oh my god. Desi, Katy, Anna, what is y'all doing to me? I don't wear eyeshadow, but bitch, I might. Oh my god. It really is game over, guys. I can't. Just a Kiss. Try me. Fucking, this whole palette tried me and I'm losing. All these shimmers, guys, are one swipe. This is These are next level. I need a moment. Hold up. When I took a picture of it, it captures a moment and a moment looks purple. They're creamy. The fallout is pretty low. The colors are amazing. I would pay $50 just for a moment. This color is still, it's tripping me out. Moving on. The next part of this collection that I'm probably the most excited for is highlighters. This is something I actually wear. The packaging like has the names on the box. It says DesiXKaty, which really quick, I'm gonna show last round's packaging. The old one had their signatures on it, whereas this one just says their name. And on the front, the old one just said Dose of Colors. This one has like the DesiXKaty like embossed on it, which is super cute. This is Fuego. I'm not gonna open it because I already have Fuego from last time, which I still like. It's a really good highlighter, guys. I see other people use it like on social media, and it shows that they like hit their pan already, and I'm just kind of like, dude, like I wish I hit pan, because I feel like when you hit pan, it kind of shows like, dude, I use this all the time. I use this all the time. All the time. I don't even feel like I'm close to pan yet, guys. This is Fuego. I'm gonna do swatches of all the highlighters later. In terms of the new stuff, let's try out Chasing the Sun highlighter. I just feel like these highlighters are gonna be so blinding and just crazy. I'm ready. This is Chasing the Sun. Ooh. Before I even open it, just the packaging, I already noticed. A true stan notices. So this one right here is from the first launch, and this is the Chasing the Sun from this launch. So the packaging, same material, like same sparkly, like cute design, but this one is clearly, obviously, you can see the color is a lot lighter. This one's kind of darker. Okay, let's open Chasing the Sun though. Chasing the Sun, boom. Brick gold, gorgeous. I'm going to be swatching all 3 highlighters, including Mirame. Everyone's saying that Fuego's the best, and then they have to bring Chasing the Sun. I agree. I think these are great colors, but don't be disrespecting my girl Mirame. Hey, Danny.
Hey, Caterpillar.
Excuse me?
What are you doing? Oh, hi, Desi Perkins. Hey.
I'm filming.
Oh my god, never mind, bye.
Waste my time. Anyway, let's get to these highlighter swatches. Because I'm biased, we're just gonna go in with Mirame. Stop playing her dirty like that. This is my girl. Yes, thank you, Mirame, for all your hard work. Let's go in with the tried and true Fuego, because everyone loves Fuego. The new Chasing the Sun highlighter. Yeah, this one's truly like more bronze than gold. Highlighter swatches, Mirame, Fuego, and then Chasing the Sun. Let's just try these out. You know what? I'm gonna use all 3 because I think they all deserve a swap today. Chasing the Sun is gonna be our inner corner and our nose highlight. That is what I'm feeling today. Now we're gonna grab some Fuego, cheek highlights. Didn't mean to blind you there. It really is that bitch. My girl Mirame, Cupid's bow today. Cupid's bow action. Yep, that's right. We're wearing 3 different highlighters today. We are moving on now to the lip products. Low key, I'm sweating. I mean, high key, I'm sweating. Hilarious. I have 2 over the tops because I bought the whole collection, which came with 1, but I knew I wanted a second one, so I bought an extra one on the side. So our 2 glosses, we have our 2 liquid lips, and then we have our 2 lipsticks. Packaging, again, stepped it up. Thank you very much, DesiXKaty and Anna. This is the first one, this is the new one. First time around, they had the Dose of Colors part like embossed, whereas now it's just a print. And the old one had their signatures, whereas this new one has the embossed names. Minor differences. You know, to each their own. Which one do you like better? I don't know. I'm impartial because anything that Desi does, I truly cannot pick which one's my favorite. I think they're all my favorites. Let's open them up. Should we start with glosses? It's freaking wow. I'm so excited. I cannot believe I'm holding Over the Top. Every time that it's sold out, I really didn't think I'd ever get to have it. The fact that they brought it back, like, just mad respect that they care about the fans. So here's the most. It's the clear gloss with like the cherry red reflex. Over the Top, the legendary gloss. Right there. Alright, so the top one is Over the Top and the bottom gloss is the most. Let me just apply some real quick. Over the Top, is my home. I don't wear lipstick, so let's just do these real quick for y'all. Traditional lipsticks. We have Aftermath. Wait, what? Wait a minute. There's a fuck up in my order. Oh, I think this box says Hey Girl. The lipstick I got, I have 2 Aftermaths. I don't have the whole collection. I'm missing an item. Great, now I gotta call customer service. I'm gonna be that bitch. Well, I guess we can't swatch both lipsticks because we only have one. Really quick, I'm gonna show you. They also changed the packaging of the tube. I'm dragging this collection to fill. It has their signatures and it says Desi Perkins and Luster Lux. This time around, it says Katy and Desi Perkins. Luster Lux is dead, Katy is alive. I'm deceased. Here's Aftermath swatched. Oh. Oh. 2 liquid velvets. I swear if these are the wrong colors, I'm gonna scream. Ooh, they got it right this time. Here is my main. Because Desi is my main. I honestly don't know what to comment for these because, you know, I don't wear them kind of thing. A Mauve Story. Under. Ooh, these are the 3 lip products that I have. Could be 4, but it's only 3. So these are your lip products. What is there to say about this whole collection? Desi and Katy are killing the game. There's so many influencer collaborations out there, and I'm not dragging any other collaboration, but I think this one was just so well thought out. Their products are so unique and different, you know? Like, I feel like that the makeup that's being put out is always so similar, but these are just so standout and so different. You gotta have that type of thing. Favorites are Over the Top. Chasing the Sun is cute, but Fuego I think is still the best one, but I still love you, Mina May. Yeah, Friendcation palette is just, I think, just a kiss in a moment. Those colors are just really taking it home for me. I am nothing but proud of my girls, Desi, Katy, and Anna. Will there be a round 3? Because I'm ready for it. This is the most. And it's just a moment. It's game over. It's everything. I'm dead. I'm dead. This collection has been amazing. I gotta call customer service right now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found any part of this enjoyable. If you guys did, comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And yeah, Desi Perkins is the best. Y'all should go buy this collection, and I will see you guys in my next video. Lipsticks I was supposed to get, the Hey Girl shade. Inside of it was the Aftermath shade. A moment, I thought it was blue, like it's truly like a purple. You have a great day. Alright, thank you. They said I'm gonna keep both of these Aftermaths and then I'll get a new one in the mail soon. So y'all already know who wants a free Aftermath because I don't need it. Okay, bye guys. Clean up those fingers.